Yoga students are often asking me, what's the best platform to use online or the best app to use to learn yoga at home alone? So you can't make it to the studio, you want to practice in your living room, you're traveling, you can't make it to the studio, you want to do yoga in your hotel. There's all these new apps, all these flashy new apps and online platforms, and I literally sign up for one about every 3 or 4 months, and I have for about the past 10 years. Inevitably, I'm pretty disappointed by most of the content, and the reason being is most of them are random. Some Silicon Valley tech startup, they hire a bunch of yoga teachers, they throw them in the studio, they make a bunch of videos, and then they throw them up, and there's no real rhyme or reason to it. There's one site that's doing it differently that I'm a big fan of, and that's where I've been sending YOGABODY people for about the past 18 months or so. And it's called OmStars, and the reason it's different, it's run by a yoga teacher, Kino McGregor, longtime yoga teacher, very, very experienced, and she goes up and she curates the actual content, meaning she handpicks teachers she personally knows and works with to develop really high quality content. So it's not just a class, it's actually a learning experience. There's full-blown workshops where you can go very, very deep with everything from learning to assist, to hip opening, to back bending and handstanding workshops, lots of different challenges. There's enough content in there that literally you could probably do something every day for the next year and really, really deepen your practice. So if you're a YOGABODY student, if you're looking for fresh content every month, but not light and fluffy stuff, but actually really in-depth learning, I'd encourage you to check out OmStars. They put together a special offer down below just for YOGABODY subscribers. It's way less than the cost of a yoga studio, and in many cases, I think you'll get a lot more value. Hope you find that helpful.